Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to change your plan in Netflix on iPhone, Android, on PC as well. Now this is pretty much the same on PC, on iPhone and on Android. So yeah, follow the steps and let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go here and we have to go to the account. Now this will be the same for everyone, right? Now I'll have to go and translate this to English just so you know. And yeah, first we have to scroll down here, and as you can see it says package details. We have premium ultra HD currently, and yeah, you just need to go to change package here. And as you can see, again I have to translate this to English, but as you can see, you can change streaming package, right? You can change basic, standard, whatever you want, right? So currently we're on this package, but if we want the standard, we can click on it. We can click go on, and then we'll have to confirm the package. Once we confirm the package, we will be charged this amount, right, that we chosen for the next month, right? So not for this month, but for the next upcoming month. So just keep that in mind. So this is how you can change a plan in Netflix and change your package. In Netflix, it's really simple. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer all of them. Again, it's the same on every single platform and on every single device. So again, if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will make sure to answer them. Thank you.